In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Chime to Coinbase. Whether you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies or just need to move funds, this process is straightforward and simple. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Coinbase app or the Coinbase wallet on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to get it from your app store and log into your account. Having your credentials ready will save you time and make the process smoother. Once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, look for the option that says Add Cash or Add Funds. This is where you'll initiate your transfer. Tap on this option and you'll be prompted to select a currency. For our purposes, you'll want to select USD, which stands for United States Dollar. This ensures that you're transferring the correct currency that's linked to your Chime account. Next, you will be asked to choose the source of your funds. Here, you want to select From and then choose your linked Chime account as the payment method. If you haven't linked your Chime account yet, you might need to do so before continuing. Linking your account is usually a one-time setup, and it can typically be done under the Settings menu in either your Chime or Coinbase app. Once your Chime account is selected, it's time to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid any errors. It's always a good idea to verify your account balance on Chime to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transfer. After entering the desired amount, you'll need to confirm the transaction. This is the final step before your money is transferred, so take a moment to review all the details once more. Make sure the amount and the accounts are correct to avoid any mishaps. Once you hit confirm, the money will be transferred from your Chime account to your Coinbase account. Transactions like these can take a little time to process, so don't worry if it's not instantaneous. You can always check the status in the transaction history on your Coinbase app, and that's how to transfer money from Chime to Coinbase. By following these steps, you'll be able to move your money effortlessly and start engaging with your desired cryptocurrencies, or simply have those funds ready on your Coinbase account for whatever you plan next. Thank you for watching, and happy transferring.